Good afternoon, my friend, and welcome again from our store, Zuluf store here in Bethlehem. Today we will show you something else, my friend. Okay, but for sure handmade. Everything here in our store, my friend, we bring to you from the Holy Land, from Bethlehem, Jerusalem, and Hebron. Today we will show you, my friend, the sandals, leather sandals, which made in Jerusalem. And there is many types here, my friend. You can't see it today. I will show you something from it, like this one, my friend, for the ladies. You can see the light brown, and here the dark brown, my friend. And we can see the signature for the company, like this, my friend. It's which made in Jerusalem in 1969. They established the company there, my friend. And by the way, it's handmade, my friend. And we have many numbers for the kids and for the men, for the ladies. There is many things here. We can see it, my friend. And we have two kind. The first one, which is locked sandals like this, and unlocked sandals, and many type, my friend. We can see it today. If you like any from the sandals, my friend, just visit our website zuluf.com, and we will appreciate your visit to our website, my friend, and pick what you want. Bye bye for now, and see you tomorrow.